The Devo G1 Smart Lock is an all-in-one security solution that combines a biometric fingerprint lock, a high-definition camera, and a video doorbell for comprehensive home protection. Equipped with advanced infrared and radar technology, this smart lock can detect unusual activity near your door and send instant alerts to your device, enhancing home security. With 6 different unlocking options, including fingerprint, mobile app, and voice commands via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, the Devo G1 offers both flexibility and convenience. The smart lock's built-in Wi-Fi enables seamless remote management through the Tuya app, allowing you to control access, monitor activity, and receive notifications from anywhere. Designed to endure tough weather conditions, the Devo G1 features an IP65 waterproof rating and operates efficiently in extreme temperatures, powered by a long-lasting lithium battery. Installation is straightforward and quick, compatible with most standard door bolts, and comes with a year-long warranty and round-the-clock email support for your peace of mind.